that.
Hey everybody. Today we're working with a 28C from Whiskey River. Very, very nice handle. Very nice handle. Something I noticed on the 28C as opposed to the 30C is from like right here back, it gets a bit bigger. It grows in it grows both ways, thickness this way and thickness this way. So there's more material to remove if need be. If you have a bigger hand, you might like this. You might like that size difference. It tapers nicely. Very, very nice handle. Nice wood to work with. Great. I love it. I absolutely love it. For me, I'm going to take this down. I'm going to sand this down some because it's a bit big for the way I like a handle. And there's material to remove. And it will, when I get done, it'll be more the size here of as the 30C is. It won't be as tapered. It'll be still somewhat tapered because I won't take it all the way down. But that's a nice feature to have that wood there to remove if need be. But like I said, if you have a bigger hand and you like a bigger handle, it's not huge. It's not big by any means, but it is bigger than the 30C for sure. Nice handle. The hick sticks that I have are like that also. They grow from here back, so there's material to be able to remove. Today we're hanging this jersey. It's just over 3 pounds. It's gonna be beautiful. Oh yeah, it's gonna be a dandy. I'm gonna get her sanded down and then we'll work on the wedge.
Yeah.
All right, we're burning.
I think it's chippy still. We're burning.
Look at that beautiful piece of wood.
I sent him the link to his just his WhatsApp. So check that, Jay.
I'll pop up and then see if it is just maybe it is just.
Do we need a little bit more?
Maybe I don't know.
There?
But when he pops on, I'll try and pop back on.
freezing, Susan. It's cold here.
We're going down.
You're kind of noisy. Sorry for the noise. Hi, Fred.
Oh, she's a beaut. Look at
Are you making a video right now?
Yeah, I sure am. Oh yeah, it's going on. Bounce. Yep, it's on.
How many things do you have running?
It is on. Oh, that's a dandy. What's going on? For those of you that don't know, when I say I'm putting it in the Doc Martin, I mean I'm putting it in a Doc Martin to hammer the wedge down. This is the Doc Martin.
He, of course, is making a video right now.
That glue's going in there nice today. That's for sure.
Yeah, Kim.
Oh no! Thank you for not falling glue side down.
Let me see here.
All right, here we go.
Be right back.
Tom Joyner wedge banger.
I have no idea, Fred.
Let's see.
I'm just trying this dual YouTube thing out.
Well, it's not in there as far as I want it, but that's all we're gonna get today, folks. Whew. Look at that beauty. Oh, yeah, that's what I'm talking about right here.
Riles that go to the light.
Oh, goodness sakes, look at us go. Uh-oh. She's a dandy. Oh, my goodness sakes. Here we go. We're going dark. Got her nice and warmed up. So it'll soak that stuff right up. Oh, look at that beaut. I need a better system for this here situation.
says, "Oh yeah, Taz. Lots of emojis."
Oh, crap.
He gets way too excited over the smallest things.
This is no small thing. Oh, what? Are you kidding me?
I've had enough coffee this morning, Brennan. A tank of fuel in a salt. Wow.
Would you look at that? I know my lighting is not the greatest, but look at that. Oh my gosh.
How's Old Timer doing?
Thanks, Whiskey River. Thanks, Brandon, for the great products. Appreciate it. I've said it before, the price point is right, and the quality is amazing. Amazing. Thanks, everybody. Head over to Whiskey River. Give them some support on their YouTube channel. Love y'all. Take care and be safe. TazMan, this is rolling. Look at this beauty. Just got it hung. This is the one that we just hung. Let's try it out. We're also trying out the Hero, or this GoPro 7 Silver from Casterman, right here in the cold. It is cold. Oh my goodness sakes. I haven't even sharpened it. I have not even sharpened this yet. Oh, it's a dandy. It is a dandy. Absolutely beautiful. Like I said, I haven't even sharpened it yet. Oh, look at that. I know this isn't a real super test or nothing, but it kind of is, because it's kind of what I'm going to use it for. Holy smokes. Nice. Oh, it turned out beautiful. Beautiful. Thanks, Whiskey River. Thanks again for making such a great product. I hope you can see that. I'm not sure what the GoPro is showing, but I hope you can see it. It's a beautiful tool. Beautiful work on the handle. Nice, like I said, nice wood to work with. It's just all around awesome. So awesome. So thanks, everybody. Jersey, not the easiest one, not the easiest access to Haft to get on there for sure, because of the small eye. And this one has ribs in it, 3 on each side, just over 3 pounds. But on this 28-inch handle, oh my goodness sakes, I don't, it's primo. Awesome. Thanks, everybody. I love you a lot. TazMan is rolling. Thank you all. Of course, we have to get a little bit of scenery here. Whoops, sorry. You can see old Stumpy over there. There we go. Be kind.